Imagine capturing the entire world around you, not just what's in front of you, but a full 360 degrees of breathtaking memories. That's the magic of 360 cameras, and in 2024, the technology has reached incredible new heights. Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or just someone who loves playing around with cool gadgets, these 5 best 360 cameras will change how you see the world. Let's dive right in. All the links to the products are in the description below. Insta360X3, the all-around powerhouse. First on our list is the Insta360X3, and this camera is seriously impressive. It's like having a fully functional film crew right in your pocket. Let's start with its 5.7K resolution, which delivers ultra-clear footage. You know how some cameras claim to shoot in HD or 4K, but when you review the footage, it's just not that sharp? That's not the case with the Insta360X3. Every detail pops, whether you're shooting epic travel videos, capturing fast action sports, or even just vlogging your daily life. The clarity of this camera means you're getting footage that feels alive. Think about filming a bustling street market or the calm serenity of the beach. You're not just getting part of the picture, you're getting the entire experience in one seamless 360-degree view. And the features don't stop there. One of the biggest headaches when shooting 360-degree video is stabilization. Nobody wants shaky, unwatchable footage. Luckily, the Insta360X3 has flow state stabilization, which takes the bumps and jitters out of your video, even if you're running down a mountain trail or cycling through rough terrain. The footage stays smooth, almost like it's gliding. And for the creators out there, the Insta360 app is packed with editing tools powered by AI. It's like having your own personal video editor in your pocket. GoPro Max. For the adventurers, next up, we have the GoPro Max. If you're the type who craves adventure, whether it's scaling mountains, surfing massive waves, or jumping out of planes, this camera was built for you. GoPro is known for making tough, durable cameras that can handle anything you throw at them, and the GoPro Max is no exception. But this isn't just your standard action camera. This is 6K resolution we're talking about. That's ultra-high-definition footage that's so crisp, you'll be able to relive every moment in stunning clarity. Imagine jumping out of an airplane, you're free-falling, the wind is rushing past, and the earth below is slowly getting bigger. With the GoPro Max, you're capturing all of that minus 360 degrees of pure adrenaline. And when you watch it back, it's like you're experiencing the jump all over again. But it's not just about the resolution. The Max Hyper Smooth Stabilization is where the magic happens. Action shots tend to be bumpy, especially if you're on a mountain bike trail or running across rocky terrain. Hyper Smooth takes all that movement and turns it into silky smooth video. So whether you're bombing down a dirt path or speeding through a snow-covered forest, the footage looks as smooth as if you were floating. And let's talk about audio. Because the GoPro Max doesn't just capture immersive visuals, it records 360-degree audio too. Think about it, you're filming on a windy beach, but when you watch the footage, you can still hear the waves crashing in perfect detail. It's not just about what you see, it's about what you hear, making your video feel more alive. Plus, the dual lens setup gives you flexibility. You can shoot in traditional wide-angle GoPro mode for those classic action shots, or switch to full 360-degree mode to capture everything around you. And since it's a GoPro, you know it's ready for any environment. Rain, snow, mud, whatever you're up against, the GoPro Max can handle it. Ricoh Theta X, the compact king. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more subtle but still packed with power, the Ricoh Theta X is where it's at. Don't let its small size fool you. This camera is a 5.7K video and 60 megapixel still image powerhouse, making it perfect for those who want high-quality footage without carrying around bulky equipment. Whether you're walking through a busy city street or out on a quiet nature hike, this camera captures it all, with details so sharp you'll be able to see every leaf, every cloud, every detail. One of the best things about the Theta X is how compact and portable it is. You can slip it into your pocket and take it anywhere, which makes it perfect for spontaneous moments. Need to shoot a 360-degree video at a party or while traveling? Just pull it out and you're ready to go. The beauty of this camera is that it doesn't slow you down. It's quick and easy to use, and you don't have to fiddle with a bunch of settings to get a great shot. And get this, one of the most annoying things about some 360 cameras is waiting forever for the footage to process. The Ricoh Theta X takes care of that with super fast image processing. You can take your shots, preview them instantly, and share them with your friends or social media in no time. And if you're worried about running out of juice, it has a replaceable battery, so you can keep shooting as long as you want. Plus, the camera's large touchscreen makes it a breeze to control. You can quickly change settings, preview your shots, or scroll through your footage without having to fumble around with an app. Kando QCam 8K, the resolution beast. If you're someone who wants the absolute best in terms of video quality, then the Kando QCam 8K is the camera for you. Yes, you heard that right, minus 8K resolution. This isn't just a step above 4K. It's an absolute leap. Imagine shooting a video in the middle of a crowded city square or on a quiet, isolated beach, and capturing every single detail in stunning, lifelike quality. With the QCam 8K, it feels like you're there, even when you're watching the footage on a screen. The level of detail is perfect for filmmakers, virtual tours, or anyone who demands professional-grade video. But it's not just about the insane resolution. The QCam 8K also boasts superb image stabilization. This means that even if you're moving around a lot, say, while filming a bike ride or walking through uneven terrain, the footage stays smooth and steady. And here's another cool feature, minus 3D stereo sound recording. So not only does the video look crystal clear, but the sound feels just as immersive. You're not just capturing a video, you're capturing an experience with the visuals and audio working together to make your footage come alive. Views XR, the flexible dual-mode camera. And finally, we have the Views XR, a camera that's all about versatility. This one has a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. You can switch between 360-degree mode and 180-degree 3D mode just by flipping the lenses. It's like having two cameras in one. Want to shoot a fully immersive 360-degree scene? You got it. Want to capture 180-degree 3D footage that pops out with depth and dimension? Just flip the lenses and you're good to go. With 5.7K resolution, the footage from the Views XR is stunning, whether you're shooting a scenic landscape or a bustling street festival. And the 180-degree 3D mode really adds something special to your videos. It gives your audience a sense of depth that standard video just can't match. Imagine creating VR content that feels like you can reach out and touch the scene. That's what the Views XR can do. It's perfect for creating immersive VR experiences, cinematic content, or just adding a cool twist to your vlogs. So there you have it, the 5 best 360 cameras of 2024. From the versatile Insta360X3 to the powerhouse Kando QCam 8K, these cameras will completely change how you capture the world. Which one will you choose to take your creativity and adventures to the next level? The possibilities are endless. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.